we are going to have our first in-person pitch. So Carol Hirschmugel with Conovate is going to share a little bit about their company, their opportunity, and we will turn it over to Carol. I'm going to stay up here. Your timer's right over there for 5 minutes. And when you are done, you can say thanks and step down. Just say next slide. They're controlling the slides from in there. Yeah, okay. So you're right up here.
Okay, great. Carol. Okay. All right, well, thanks for having me, and thanks for the opportunity to introduce Conovate to you. I am Carol Hirschmugel. I am co-founder, co-inventor, and CEO of Conovate. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're doing and how we could work with others in this space. Next slide, please. So we have revolutionary materials for evolutionary solutions. We have discovered a material, scaled that material, demonstrated it in lithium-ion batteries to improve the fast charging, the safety, and the capacity of those batteries. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that. Next slide, please. So we discovered our material at a university, University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. We filed a patent in 2011. I was a professor at the university. I got that patent granted in 2016. It took a long time at that point in time. And I discovered that no one was going to come to my doorstep and figure out how to take this material and scale it. As a result of that, I decided to start a company, figure out how to commercialize what we had. Filed for some grants. I've had funding from DOE, NSF, and now USDA to scale our material. We now have worldwide rights granted for that finding and have achieved some investment funding. Today, we've achieved scaling the material and demonstrating our minimum viable product and moving towards commercialization. Next slide, please. So our material, we recognized when we had this material in very small quantities that it had electrostatic capability, but it also has many other capabilities. So with the scaling, we have the possibility of bringing other things to market in addition to the battery applications and batteries. But to get started, we recognize we have to be focused on batteries. So we are bringing our materials to market for the lithium-ion battery space. Next slide, please. So we have a material that's a price performer. It's competitive with the current incumbent material. It addresses a secure supply chain issue in that we can make it domestically and deliver what can't be delivered today. Today, everything is delivered from China for this part of the industry, and we can change that. We also can lower the carbon footprint. We have a scalable process and a drop-in solution for our customers, the battery manufacturers. In addition to that, we deliver improved battery performance with higher capacity, faster charging. It's drop-in capacity, higher capacity, and it's also very safe. All of that together leads to a patented solution for the lithium-ion battery chain, space. Next slide, please. So our company understands the value of licensing technology. We're seeking co-development and partnerships with the following technologies and expertise. Clean and cost-effective biomass feedstock sources as we are making this material from that in a reliable way. Pre-lithiation techniques, carbon coating techniques, powder handling and grinding and sieving for hundreds of thousands of tons per year when we're at scale, and manufacturing partners for continuous scaling for furnace systems that can handle moderate temperatures and pressures for over 100,000 tons of material per year. So thank you for the opportunity to present, and I look forward to potential co-development and joint development partnerships in the future. Thank you.